Hey, Justin Jackson here, and I just saw this on Hacker News, a tool for creating support docs for SaaS. Seems interesting. I like trying new tools in the SaaS space. So I thought I would just go through it and give my first impressions. Okay, so landing on here, your SaaS support pages in one place. It's in beta, try free demo, no email required. Let's do it. All right, you can now create your first guide. Seems pretty straightforward. So I have a podcast hosting platform. Let's go transistor.fm. All right. Oh, this is cool. I like how it's like already kind of set things up here. Getting started. Oh, I see. And it's kind of teaching me how Subsection works. That's cool. So can I actually, I could add, to get started on your transistor account, you'll need to upload an episode. I can publish these changes, preview them. Well, that's pretty cool. I do like this sidebar navigation. Right now we're using the support docs in Crisp, and Crisp is great live chat, but I really like how this feels kind of step by step. Then just having that navigation and pre-filling it with all of this stuff is actually really quite nice. Custom button. Yeah, this is quite nice. Let's see what it's like to embed a video. So let's embed this one here. Well, actually, I wonder if I can just use the URL. Add. Okay, so I can enter the URL, start a podcast, insert, publish. This is really clean. I'm quite impressed, actually. And it looks like you've got you got some simple formatting options. And yeah, you can add a table even. Code. Let's just put some of this. Looks like you can upload a custom logo. Nice. Oh, there it is. You can put a login button here. So now I can click login. Yeah, overall, my first impressions are quite good. It's really clean. I like how it automatically creates this navigation on the right. I like that it kind of gives you some sections already, like a template to follow and fill in. I think that can be so helpful for instead of just staring at a blank page, you at least have, somewhere to start. Back when we were looking for knowledge-based software, I think we would have considered this because it's just really simple, clean. I like how you can try it out before having to sign up. Yeah, well done.